Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings and in here scroll all the way down to I'm gonna go to System Management, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. Anyway, we're going to select Erase All Data. If you want, obviously back up your data if you want to, but I don't. Now, when you select Erase All Data the second time, this will begin factory resetting your device. And in your case, you might have a lock screen show up. So if you have something on the screen, like, you will need to confirm it, and when you do, then you can select Erase All Data a second time and it will start doing what it's doing for me right now. Now this will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.